Okay. This is my pot of obolo soup. Oh! You want to enter my armpit? Wait, neighbor. Let's see food again. This guy. Mind you, this packet yam is going to be here, and the meat is going to be the soup will be here.
At least for the very first time, let that one.
No. This is the right place out with you. Cut, you swallow from here. Cut, you cut. Okay? So,
please, with this kind of meat that I'm seeing before me, I believe I can fly.
Fly to where? Fly to where? How do you fly like this?
You put water.
Wait, hey.
Coming for who? Coming for who?
This is the right way. Okay, this is the right way. Get up before you check. Get up, go and check. This thing.
Check what?
Go to the back, check. Oh, yeah. Fast. Because today, let me get you, let me command.
What? Check what?
Good. Oh, yeah. Take it back. Oh, yeah, they obey. You must obey me first. You know, I'm not giving you food chop. So you must obey. So, tell us, guys, our hands are already washed. Abi?
Pray now.
You know go pray. Oh, yeah, now. Pray. Pray. At the end of the family. Pray.
Close your eyes now. When you are praying, close your eyes.
Remember, you're not the only one. Remember, you're not the only one eating, so don't come and between me.
No. When you see something like this, oh God. I remember when I was growing up. Oh, when you see something like this. What? Take it easy. Who is shocking you? I believe I can fly. I believe I can jump the sky.
Guys.
Take it very far away. I believe I can smile.
You're not hungry, so you can be playing.